Namaskaram and Swagatam to my channel Fluent in Malayalam. Hope you all are doing great. I'm trying to stick to a routine this time, at least in this 2020. I want to stick to a routine and I want to post a video, at least one video in a week. So I'm trying to do that. Please support me as always. And today we are going to learn vowel diacritics. So we saw the first part in last week and we are moving to the second part. So let us see what we have today. So today we are going to learn the the sound E, the sound E, the diacritic E, how when E combined with consonant appear in writing and how to read it. So here is the simple for E, and I have written it along with consonant, and we can see the pronunciation on the right hand side. So the first one is key. So it is short, it is E, so it is short, it is not like E that is coming, but this is short. Key. Chi. Second one is chi. Third is T. Fourth is T. And fifth is P. So that is just some of the consonants and combining the diacritic with that, just to give a little bit of knowledge about this. So now we are going to see some examples, and this time there are example words and some short phrases so that you can understand how those words are used in the sentences or phrases. So let's see that. First one is kitty. Kitty is a verb. Kitty is the past tense of kittuga, which is got, which means got. Kitty is the pronunciation. So there you can see two uses of two times the diacritic is used. Kitty, got. So there is a short phrase for an example here. Enikki kitty, which means I got. Second one, chila. Chila means some or few. Some or few is called chila. An example phrase is chila neram. Also you can say like chila samayam, means sometimes. Okay. Kochi is a very popular and a well advanced city in Kerala. I think most of you know Kochi. So I just added a noun here as an example. And the phrase is Kochilekulla yatra. Which means journey to Kochi. Patti. Patti means dog. So in the last video when I included Naya as dog, someone asked me, is Patti also dog? Yes, Patti is also dog. The thing is that I always say this, I belong to North Kerala. So in North Kerala, we say it like, we call Naya for the male dog. I don't know whether that is right way to say it, male dog and female dog. I don't know it, but I'm saying it like that only. So male dog is called Naya and female is called Patti. So that is in North Kerala. So when you move to South, they only use Patti, and to differentiate between the male and female, they will say like An Patti. An means male, so An Patti, and Pen Patti for female dog. So that is how it is. So Patti and Naya is dog only, but it is different in different places. That's it. So the phrase here I am using is Peyulla Patti. Pay means madness. When it is for the animals, we call it pay. Peyulla Patti, mad dog. Chiri. Again, two times the diacritic is used here. Chiri means smile. Chiri. Bhangiyulla chiri. Bhangiyulla chiri means beautiful smile. Beautiful smile. Next is sari. 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 Most of you know what sari is. It is the traditional wear of India. And we have a Kerala sari. So that is the word I have used here, Kerala sari. If you search in Google, or if you are in Kerala, or if you have been in Kerala, you might have known about it. It is a sari, a white color sari with a golden color border, and we use that for all our traditional functions, like Vishu, Onam, or any family occasions, or any traditional occasions. That's it. So Kerala sari, sari. So there is the diacritic, and it is used at the end after the consonant ra. Tirakku, tirakku, tirakku means rush, rush. Tirakku. One tirakku. That's the phrase I am giving as the example. One tirakku. One tirakku means huge rush, huge rush. One tirakku. The next word is chinda, chinda. Chinda means thought, thought. Chinda. So the phrase is vallata chinda, vallata chinda. And it is an exclamatory phrase, so it means it can be good or bad. It means what a thought, what a thought. You can comment it for a bad thought, a good thought. It doesn't matter. So vallata chinda, it's an exclamatory phrase. So those are our words and our phrases. I hope you understood it. And I have said this before also. Now Fluent in Malayalam is in Instagram too. There I am coming with a word daily, a Malayalam word, explaining that in English, the pronunciation in English, and also the meaning in Hindi. So that way you can learn a word thoroughly there. So if you have not started following me on Instagram, please go in and start following me there, where you can learn a word a day. And if you are not in Instagram, try to follow on Facebook. I am there in Facebook too. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments below, ask your questions. As always, like the video and share it. And if you're here for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and support me. Thanks for watching. Namaskaram.